Phew. I hope this isn't too scary for the little trick-or-treaters. It just wouldn't be Halloween without a good scare. Trick-or-treat! Ah! Happy Halloween! Oh, isn't that sweet? A nice angel, and a funny clown, and oh, what's this? Are you a real dragon? Ah! Kumbaya!
I can't see. I can't see a thing.
You really died this time, Mom!
I don't think it's supposed to be like this.
Halloween is ruined.
Quit crying on my head, Wendy Elizabeth!
I can't help it. We can't wear our costume. We won't get any candy.
I just can't bear to see their Halloween ruined. I must help them. But how? Ah, that's it.
There must be a way to do this. Maybe if we just try to head on.
Hey, Clinton! Mom!
Where are we going?
Why, eat, you little scamp. How did you get in there? That's it! Glorioski children, we're saved. I have a brilliant idea. Eek can steer.
Yay! Yay!
Enough.
Well, I'm glad that's taken care of.
Kumbaya, that was close. Now if I can just zero in on some tasty treats, that'll make the kids' Halloween extra special.
Oh, happy Halloween, you festive little monkeys!
Thank you, kind, nearsighted millionaire widow lady.
Hey, that sounds like the old lady on the street who's got more money than she knows what to do with. Come on!
Phew, I thought I'd lost you kids. Come on, let's go find those elusive Halloween treats.
Hey, what are you doing?
There we are. Candy, it's 3 o'clock high.
Oh, Clinton!
Leon, you promised I could be the head this year. You promised.
Look, Lance, you're just better as the horse's butt. You've been the horse's butt for 6 years. You're good at it.
That does it. I have had it. I am not moving another step.
Fine, we'll just stand here in the middle of the street. Is that what you want?
Well, obviously, it doesn't matter what I want.
Fine, we'll just stand in the street.
Fine. Leon.
And the last thing Ichabod Crane saw was the Headless Horseman. His head now replaced by a shrieking jack-o'-lantern galloping towards him. Or so they say. You see, no one ever saw Ichabod Crane again.
Gosh, Mr. Eyewater, you sure are a scary man.
Yeah. Can we go back inside now?
It's okay, kids. It's just an old ghost story. It didn't really happen. The boss is taking a nap. He don't want to be disturbed.
Gee, these kids are a lot taller than I remember. Yikes! Ouch!
Go on, hit the piñata, Jorge. If you hit it hard enough, all the Halloween candy will fall out.
Phew! Being a chicken head is quite a skill. Well, I'll be. That's a clever costume. A kid dressed up like some kind of upside-down person with a club. Oh, gosh, it hurts! Ooh, Kumbaya! I've stumbled into some kind of a cemetery or something, and it's Halloween night. I hope I don't run into any ghosts. Of course, luckily for me, there's no such thing as ghosts. Therefore, there's nothing to be afraid of.
Boo-hoo.
Ah!
Boo-hoo. What is it? What do you want?
Are you a ghost?
Well, yeah. Aren't you?
Well, no, not yet. I'm a cat.
What are you doing in a cemetery if you're not a ghost?
Good question. My name is Zeke, and I think I'm a little lost. I was trick-or-treating with my family when we got separated. I gotta find him before something terrible happens.
That makes two of us. I'm Crypty, and I'm lost too. I've lost my whole family. Boo-hoo, boo-hoo.
Nice to meet you, Crypty. Well, gee, Crypty, maybe I can help you find your family while I look for mine. We'll be a team, partners.
You'd help me?
Why, sure. It never hurts to help. Come on, buck up. That's the spirit.
Where?
Never mind. It's just an expression. Come on, let's go find your ghost folks. I never met a real live, ghost before.
We only come back to Earth one night a year. I came on a tour bus with my family and a bunch of other ghosts. At the graveyard, we were playing hide-and-go-shriek. I was so well hidden in an urn that when I came out, everyone was gone. They must have continued on the rest of the tour and forgotten about me.
I doubt that, Crypty. They're probably very worried by now. But don't you worry. We have all the time in the world to find your family.
Oh, no, we don't. See, we ghosts are allowed to visit Earth only on Halloween night. And we gotta get back to Ghostland before the clock strikes 12, or we'll be stuck here wandering the Earth forever as lost souls.
I was not aware of that. Well, we won't let that happen to you, Crypty. We'll find your pals before midnight. Now think, where might your friends go?
They could be anywhere. Hey, wait a minute! They said something about an old house they thought they'd try and haunt.
Old house, you say? I wonder which old house, and where?
Tonight is the night, Saggy, when all the spirits visit our planet. And soon they'll all fall victim to my spell now that I finally have this.
What? The Yellow Pages, man?
No, you fool! The Book of Spirit Entrapment. Tonight, when the clock strikes 12, all the ghosts of the world shall be mine.
Hello? Hello, is anybody home?
Hello, Uncle Finster, Cousin Fruit.
What's that noise?
Sounds like it's just some loose floorboards.
How can we be sure that it's just a loose floorboard?
Well, there's a clue.
I'm relieved, truly.
We better split up, Eek. You go that way and I'll go this way. Holler if you find any ghosts.
Oh, you can count on it, Crypty. Hello? Anybody home?
One pair of ostrich lips?
Chuck!
One eye of newt.
Check.
One used Bigfoot diaper.
Ew. Check.
One heart of a lawyer.
But we don't have a heart of a lawyer.
That's because there's no such thing. It was just a joke, man. A dash of hot sauce.
Check.
And finally, 20 toes of 2 bickering children.
What? You mean live bickering children?
That's what it says, and this time it's no joke, man.
2 bickering children? 2 bickering children? Where are we gonna find 2 live bickering children at this hour?
You're the stupid one.
You are!
I'm not. You are.
What luck!
You're the stupid one.
Hey,
Where are we going?
you should have known a dumb cat couldn't steer a costume all night.
And you should have known he wasn't on top of your head anymore. Or does that metal plate in your skull preclude all sense of feeling?
I don't have a metal plate in my skull.
Do so.
Do not.
So.
Not.
So.
I do not. This is the worst Halloween ever. We haven't even gotten any candy. Huh? It's mine, oh mine.
Out of my way, platehead. I saw it
It's mine.
first.
Oh, mine.
It's mine, you jerk.
You're the jerk. Look at those little fools run.
Hello? Mr. Ghosty? Hello? Hello? Is anybody home? Where are you? Mr. Ghost? Hello? Anybody down there? Nobody down here. Something fishy's going on. Who turned out the lights? Huh? I gotta remember to use more moisturizer. My skin isn't... Hey! Hey! Get it off! Get it off!
Good morning. Will you be joining us? We'd love to have you for breakfast, wouldn't we, girls?
Uh-huh.
Won't you be my neighbor?
Let's get out of here. This place is boring.
Hello there. Can I help you, fellas?
Oh, hi, Mr. Bat. We were just looking for some ghosts. Have you seen any here tonight?
Honey, dinner's ready.
All right, honey. Just a minute. Yeah. There were a whole bunch here earlier, but they got bored and left. As you can see, there's not much going on here.
Did they say where they were going?
Come on, honey, you better eat your soup before it clots.
I'm coming already! Yeah. They said something about the old Panama Dance Hall on Oak Street.
Honey!
Yeah. I'm blind. I ain't deaf, you know.
I sure hope my ghost pals are at the dance hall.
Yeah, and maybe we'll find my kids along the way, too.
Hey, that's my squishy bar.
It's mine. You can have these green jelly beans.
Give me that squishy bar. Well, if it isn't the pair of bickering children.
Yes, man. Complete with 20 wiggling, stinky toes.
They'll be perfect. Enjoying your treats, children? Yeah, okay. How about now? Yeah, still good.
Give me strength, man.
Now, lower the 20 wiggling toes of bickering children, and our ghost nectar shall bring these partying spirits to their doom.
But the children are not bickering, man.
Oh, yeah? Watch this. Hey, gimme!
It's mine, you jerk.
You're the jerk. Let's get busy. You're.
Not yours.
It's mine. Soon the spirit shall be mine.
Hey, those are my friends.
Saki. Do that, Saki. Why, if she was much smaller, this witch thing would be different, man. I tell you.
Do it, you mumbling feline! Throw the switches!
Kumbaya! Your ghostly friends are under some kind of a sinister spell or something. Christy, hang on to me. I'm not a ghost, so this diabolical mist cannot affect me. I was wrong.
Ha 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 ha! Welcome, my pathetic poltergeist prisoners!
What do you want with us?
I want your ghost powder!
Or what?
Your ghost powder! You know that dusty, chalky, white stuff you darn ghosts are all made up of? Soon you'll all be ground up for my main ingredient in my new cosmetic line! New spirit. For the gal who likes to make a specter of herself.
You're mean.
Yes, but I'm cute, so I get away with it. Hit it, Zaggy!
I was never cut out for this manual labor, man.
What now?
We gotta break out of here.
With what? We're soft and transparent.
Hello, I'm Eve.
HallowEek. We're doomed.
Well, what do you mean?
That mean witch is about to do us all in. We'll never get out of here alive. I mean, we're ghost toasties.
Never give up hope, Mr. Ghost. No matter how gloomy a situation seems, there's always a solution. There's bound to be a way out of this aquarium.
But this aquarium's made from ghost-proof material.
Well, I'm not a ghost.
You're right. Eek. Can we use your head to break the wall of our confines?
Sure, it never hurts to help. Hoi!
Now we'll see who's the powder puff, you bad witch.
You little pillowcases with eyes! You'll spoil everything!
Hey, we're out of candy.
This rub looks good! Don't come any closer! I'll scream! I'll do it! I will!
Gee, that was really neat of you to go to all the trouble of setting up this phony haunted house. But we gotta go.
Yeah, we're going to have our stomachs bombed! They're having a 2-for-1 Halloween special down at Mick Trouble's Memorial. Bye, Eek!
Hey, lady, are you all right?
Oh, I swallowed the ghost-catching potion. Ew, this can't be good. What's gonna happen to me?
Uh-oh. Oh, this is no good for you, babe. No good at all.
What?
But it is good for me. It says here you turn into a small radish.
What?
Sorry, rodent. Now you can be my little helper.
Sure, anything you say, Ziggy.
I think we go to Jamaica, man. You serve me many tropical drinks. Live the good life.
Whatever you say, Ziggy. Whatever you say sounds good to me.
Hey, thanks for saving us, Eek.
Yeah, if you hadn't come along, we wouldn't have stood a ghost of a chance.
You sure are a great pal, Eek.
It was sure fun meeting you, Crypty. It's too bad you guys gotta go.
Hey, you want to come with us back to Ghostland?
But I'm not a ghost.
You could be.
No. Thanks anyway. You guys go on, and maybe I'll see you next Halloween.
All right, yeah, well,
Bye, Eek.
Bye, Crypty. Say hello to Elvis for me.
Elvis? I never seen Elvis.
Happy Halloween! Boy, Halloween sure is a great time for everybody. I think it's my favorite holiday of the year. I mean, except for Christmas. And Thanksgiving. And, well, Arbor Day. And I like Easter. Valentine's Day is nice. The 4th of July, May Day.